Imagine waking up every single day knowing that you want to achieve big goals and big dreams, but you don't have the formula to do it and you don't know how to create it. That was me when I turned 18. I wanted to be great and knew I could get there, but didn't know how to start. Successful people live with intention, have their vision and goals written down, memorized, and often revise it. I'm not talking about the Jeff Bezoses, the Elon Musks. I'm talking about the Saudi Arabian princes with trillions of dollars. That's a joke, of course. I'm talking about the ones who are successful in their chosen career, the ones who live with purpose, the ones who get up every single day with a smile on their face, the ones who climb their way all the way to the top of the corporate ladder and never put a ceiling on their success, the ones who, you get my point. As of right now, February 2025, there are less than 3,000 billionaires. So I'm not talking about how to structure goals and become a billionaire, because of course I'm not one, or maybe I am. But instead the ones who reach the goals that make them happy. Whether your goal is to be a millionaire, to get abs, to make $10,000, reach top position in your company, or outperform your high school bully. The last one's a joke, by the way, don't do that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create goals and visions that inspire you and guide you every single day. Starting with the magic accountability notebook. Not only does this notebook keep you accountable, but it keeps track of your goals. But I'm not here to waste your time, so I'll leave a link in the description of a video of how to set it up and where to get it. So check that out after this video. On my left side, I have my daily section where I track my weight every single morning. I make sure I'm taking my vitamins by filling the box out daily. I make sure I'm stretching, I make sure I'm reading, and of course the highlight of my day, which helps me reflect on every day instead of letting it pass without a thought. These boxes of course can be whatever you want them to be, and these are what keep my health and mind in order, because that's what needs to be figured out before you start your path to success. Then on the right side you have the sauce, the monthly goals that align with your yearly goals on the bottom. At the start of each year, I give myself 2 to 5 blank pages to write out my goals and add the steps to reach that goal and why I want to do it. So that gives me the goal, the plan, and the meaning behind why, which gives me the drive to do it every single day. Now, before you get into the weekly, the monthly, and the yearly goals, give yourself 30 minutes to sit down and create a vision and a mission for yourself. This is a 5 to 10 year plan of who you want to be and what you want to achieve. Goals give you clarity and a GPS for your life, and breaking them down daily, monthly, and yearly makes it so much easier. But in my opinion, none of it holds any weight if you don't have a reason why you do what you do. I keep my reasons why written down in my phone notes. I keep them written down in my goal notebook. I keep them written in my laptop. So no matter where I go or what I'm doing, I have my reasons why. And if I'm ever discouraged, I just read them over. An example I'll give you is a common goal someone might say is, I want to be rich. I'll say, okay, how much do you want? And they'll go, I don't know, more than I have now. Then I'll ask, why do you want to be rich? So I could prove my high school teacher wrong. Yeah, buddy, that won't work. Write the X amount of dollars, how you'll get there, and why you want to do it. If you need help doing that, a great book that'll show you how to do it is Tony Robbins' Money Master the Game. Chapter 3, page 205, link in the description. Successful names like Elon, Bezos, and even Oprah all keep a long-term vision written down to stay on track. And that's really what differentiates an amateur from a pro. A quick bonus if you want even more tools, I recommend watching these 2 videos on how to get even better at creating goals and how to stay on track. And those are the steps you need to take in order to go from an amateur to a pro. So thanks for watching.